Hi lovers, how you doing? Mulimutia, how is everybody? I'm just having my breakfast today. Warm water and bananas. But before I tell you benefits of that will be a story for another day. Yesterday I had plain yogurt with chia seeds. My oh my, you need to try these things, guys. I want to share with you the benefits of taking plain yogurt, especially for women. Yeah, do stick around. My name is Juliana and tuned in to Organic and Fun with me. So yeah, this is how the chia seeds that I am eating look like. I specifically bought, you can find chia seeds in supermarkets, but I specifically get mine from one Mr. Chia. He has very, very clean chia seeds. If you're in Uganda, you can order from him. This is his number. Very, very clean. He has very clean chia seeds. I love them. Plus, I love his packaging. Very good branding there. So basically, I'm doing the chia seeds, and I also did honey. When I'm eating my plain yogurt, I want to add honey because I don't want to do sugar. Yeah, if you want to lose weight, guys, stay off sugar. I will do a whole video about it, the diseases that you get from eating sugar. So instead of eating sugar, you need to eat either dates syrup or sugar molasses, or honey. Those are the best options that you can have. And also, if you're looking for sugar molasses, here is a number of where I get mine from. Honey, I usually pick randomly from a supermarket, but molasses, I'm very specific. I get them from one lady called Becky, and that's her number. So you can play around, be creative. Being healthy, you need to be creative. You can do chia seeds, or you can decide to add whatever you want to add in your plain yogurt to give it taste. You can add strawberries, you could add bananas, but for me, I specifically did chia seeds because chia contains 5 times more calcium than milk. It has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 3 times more iron than spinach, twice the potassium content of banana, and 8 times more omega-3 than salmon. Who does not need chia in their lives? Everyone does need it. Even for pregnant women, it has all the nutrients that you're not getting from so many other dirty things that you're eating. Sprinkle it raw onto almost any food or add it to smoothies or yogurt. It helps thicken smoothies in addition to providing nutrition. You'll get energy and stamina. You'll get strengthened immune system. It will help weight loss, normalize blood sugar levels. It helps prevent arthritis, cleanses the colon, gets rid of toxins, reduce inflammation, promotes sound sleep, prevents cancer, digestion, knee pain, hyperactivity disorder, joint pain, horse feed, pet food, healthy skin, hair and nails. And for the ladies, it's going to give you that lubrication. Yes, the one that we all want, that one. Just take chia seeds with your plain yogurt and you are so good to go. Now, the other reasons why I do plain yogurt a lot is that it's a probiotic. You know, when you're stuck on antibiotics, lately so many people swallow antibiotics every day, and antibiotics are very, very expensive and addictive. At the same time, they could be giving you a little relief, but they're not curing whatever you're suffering from or whatever you're trying to treat. Whether it's an infection, whatever it is, and you're using antibiotics, you want to put a little bit of a stop right there and then introduce plain yogurt in your system. It has the good probiotics that your body needs. There's a difference between antibiotics. Antibiotics is going to heal you for temporary, and then after that you'll have to get addicted and it's going to spoil your liver in the long run. But a probiotic is feeding whatever it's healing the infection that you're suffering from. At the same time, it's going to give you permanent relief. So to everyone out there, use this to prevent infections and to prevent prolonged use of antibiotics. You're going to thank me later. I've been on antibiotics before. Those things can drain your energy and drain your pocket. Try this. Try plain yogurt with whatever you want to add into it. For me, I love to add chia, but you can just play around and be creative and add anything else. Don't you forget to give me a thumbs up if you love the story, and please do subscribe. This channel is all you need to stay healthy. My name is Juliana.